Hey, my name is Katie, and water features are a great way to create calmness and peace in your space, and surprisingly, easy to do. So, let's get to it. This is everything you need to know about how to create a water feature. To start off with, if you have a porous pot, such as a terracotta pot, you'll need to waterproof it first. We do this by adding 2 layers of bitumen paint. Since we have a fiberglass pot, we don't need to do this. Next, we'll dig a hole to put the water feature base in. So now that that's done, we're going to put our base in the hole and make sure that it's level. So now that we're level, we're going to place our pump inside the chamber and feed the cable for the power source through the side hole. To get the water from the trough up through to the pot, we're going to use this poly riser. It screws in really easy. Now position your pot over the riser and connect your extension. So to make sure that water doesn't escape from the hole that's at the bottom of the pot, we're going to use this silicone to make sure that it's watertight. We're going to lay some pebbles around the pot to hide the base. And a good tip here is that you can use the pebbles to hide the cord that connects from the pump to the power source. So before we add water, we're going to push our fountain head onto the riser. Now, different fountain heads create different effects, so it's totally personal preference. Lastly, it's time to fill up the pot with water. And there you have it, your very own water feature. How beautiful is the sound of running water? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.